Hey guys, this is Mr. Meadows. Just got through or in the middle of a job involving a 1990 Jeep Wagoneer, doing the ignition and the ignition switch. This is not a repair video, this is a tip video for those doing this same job. I was looking at the directions and even a few videos, and it indicated that with this lock cylinder that you would be pushing in the pin through an opening, allowing the sleeve to come out. That is incorrect. With this particular model, there is no pin to push. There is a security screw that is attached at the bottom of the cylinder through the housing. It is a black screw. You might miss it because the housing is black. It is I think it's a T10. Just check the size. You're gonna need torque bits, a torque bit set to take off any security bolts. So just check the size. I think it's a T10. But anyway, you're gonna need to remove that bolt in order to dislodge the cylinder and push it out from the back. If this tip helps you, like, subscribe. I'm always doing some type of tip. If I can save you some time and some money, look for me to do it. All right, have a good day.